Welcome back, children. We are learning the rules of subject verb agreement. In module 1, we learned that a collective noun, if taken as a whole, agrees with a singular verb. For example, the swarm of bees is buzzing around in the garden. The swarm of bees is taken as a whole. That is why is has used here. A herd of elephants is roaming around freely. Words like each, everyone, one, no, one, nobody, neither, either agree with singular verbs. For example, one of the eggs is broken. Okay, one of the eggs, one egg out of the many. That is why is used here. Each of the eggs is broken. Everyone in the class is going for the picnic. Either is fine with me. Words like several, many, all agree with plural verbs. For example, all my friends are coming for my birthday party. Many of the eggs are broken. Rule number 8. Words like there and here are not the subjects of a sentence. The subject follows the verb. For example, here is the key. Alright children, here are the keys. Rule number 9. When distances, periods of time and sums of money are considered as a unit, we use a singular verb. For example, 10 kilometers is quite a distance to walk. Read these rules very carefully. 10 kilometers is quite a distance to walk. 2000 rupees is too much for this bouquet. 2000 rupees is too much for this bouquet. So children, go through all the rules of subject verb agreements and learn. That's all for this video. Thank you.